guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching my cooking channel. I am making curried sausage in a slow cooker. So without further ado, let's get started. So here are the ingredients that you will need. So you will need about 500 grams of sausage. I am using our homemade garlic sausage. We make our own sausages for barbecue and for like cured ones that we can use for charcuterie boards and stuff like that. So that is what this is. It's a garlic sausage, and I thought it would be perfect for this recipe since garlic and curry do kind of go hand in hand. And this is about 500 grams. The recipe does not specify what type of a sausage we need, so that's why I am using this. It says thick or thin. Mine is fairly thick. Then you need 1 large onion, diced, 4 potatoes, cubed, and then you need about 3 carrots, a cup of frozen peas, a tablespoon of curry powder. So I will be making my own curry powder, and for that you need turmeric, cardamom, coriander, cumin, and ginger, as well as cayenne pepper. And then you will need also some beef broth, about 3 cups, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. I don't typically use corn flour, so I am using just whole wheat flour, or actually this is white flour because that's what I have on hand. So I'm going to get all my veggies prepped now for the to put them in a slow cooker. Today I'm participating in another recipe swap, a collaboration that is hosted by Sarah's Realm, and I will have her channel linked in the description box, and there will also be a playlist for our collaboration. So today I am swapping recipes with Anne-Marie's Life at Home, and her channel as well as the recipe will also be linked in the description box. I am in search of a good vegetable peeler. If you have any suggestions, I used to have a Pampered Chef one, but it had broken, and then I bought a KitchenAid one, and I do not love it. It splatters everywhere while I'm peeling. So if you have one that you can recommend, I would love to know. So I switched out my cutting board, and I'm going to cube my sausage. Now I'm going to get my spices ready. So I don't have ground cardamom, so I am just going to get this processed in here. There we go. So I need 1 teaspoon of the cardamom, and then I need 2 tablespoons of ground turmeric, about 2 tablespoons of ground coriander. I'm just going to dump everything that I have in there. And then 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Again, just whatever's left there. And then, so I already did the cardamom. And then optionally you can do half a teaspoon of ginger and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix it all up. Now I'm going to get my slow cooker set up. So I am going to now add my sausage, all of my veggies, as well as the 1 tablespoon of curry powder and vegetable stock. I mean the beef stock, sorry. And I'm going to cook it on high. You can cook it on low 6 to 8 hours, but I'm going to do mine on high for about 3 hours. Or until your veggies and your sausage is cooked, obviously, depending on your slow cooker. So it is all done, and I find that it's thick enough. It says that if you don't find it thick enough, that you can thicken it with flour and water. I do find that it's thick enough, so I'm not going to go and do that. But you can if you want to. So I would like to thank Sarah for hosting this collaboration and Anna Marie for sending me this recipe. Make sure to check out both of their channels as well as the playlists linked in the description box. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I try and post twice a week, including recipes and what's for dinners, grocery hauls, and meal planning. I share tons of different type of recipes. I love ethnic food, so there's lots of that. I am from Eastern Europe, so there's lots of that. So if that's something that interests you, make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.